Welcome to a new video. In this home tour I am presenting Alissa's house. I hope you enjoy and can get inspiration for your decoration. In the living room, shelves provide a versatile and functional way to display and organize decor items in a living room. In the context of neutral cottage style, shelves can be used to showcase various decorative items such as vintage pieces, plants, books, candles, and other accessories that complement the relaxed and cozy aesthetic of cottage decor. By adding shelves to a room in neutral cottage style, you can easily update and refresh the decor by changing the items displayed on the shelves. This allows you to experiment with different design elements, colors, textures, and styles without making permanent changes to the room. Shelves also provide an opportunity to personalize the space and add character to the living room, making it feel more inviting and homely. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or a more eclectic mix of decor, shelves can be a versatile tool for adding visual interest and charm to a living room in neutral cottage style. In the dining room, mirrors in the dining room were a common feature of vintage cottage decoration because they helped to reflect light and create a sense of space in small, cozy rooms. They also added a touch of elegance and vintage charm to the space, making it feel more inviting and cozy for guests. Additionally, mirrors were often used to showcase beautiful table settings and decorations, adding visual interest and enhancing the overall ambience of the dining room. The cottage kitchen likely has open shelves to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Open shelves can showcase decorative items such as baskets, dishes, and plants, adding charm and character to the space. They also make it easier to access frequently used items and keep the kitchen looking organized and clutter-free. Additionally, open shelves can visually open up the space and make it feel larger, which is especially important in smaller cottage kitchens. The cottage bedroom may be simple and cozy with thick blankets because it is meant to evoke a feeling of warmth and comfort. Thick blankets can provide an extra layer of insulation, keeping the room cozy and helping to ward off any chill. The simplicity of the decor may also contribute to the cozy atmosphere, creating a sense of relaxation and peace. Additionally, a cozy cottage bedroom with thick blankets can create a rustic and inviting atmosphere, perfect for unwinding and escaping the hustle and bustle of daily life.